Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information on personal finance. Let us continue our ongoing journey in the zoo where we visited. In this zoo, we have already seen bulls, bears, rabbits, turtles or tortoise. Thereafter we saw ostrich, herd and chicken. After seeing chicken, we traveled ahead in the zoo and saw snake, ants and whales. Then it started raining and we took some rest and played some indoor games like snakes and ladder and chess. Now the rain has stopped and it's a sunny day. So let's continue our ongoing journey to the zoo. The next creature whom we would be visiting is a camel. Camel survives long period with little. They are known as sheep of deserts because they can survive long period with little water, and that is why camel represents diversified and conservative portfolio that survives through tough times and inflation. And camel also represents those investors who have patience and intelligence. The camel has unique traits and make it a perfect metaphor for certain types of investors. It also represents certain strategies in the financial markets. Here's how the nature of camel fits in the financial markets. Similar to a camel, a disciplined investor endures tough market conditions like bear market, volatility, inflation, and it can be done without any panic. Just like a camel survives in extreme deserts with scarce water, a disciplined investor can survive in those tough scenarios. Long-term endurance. Camels travel long distance, slowly but surely. Similarly, long-term investors focus on steady wealth creation over time and not on quick gains. Resource management. In trading and investing, resource management is a critical aspect for a success of a trader and for a success of an investor. Camels store fat in their humps for future use. Similarly, smart investors allocate resources wisely and build emergency funds or reserves for financial dry seasons. A camel doesn't need much to survive, however, delivers value over time. Similarly, in financial markets, there are type of investors who craft their portfolio in such a way that doesn't require more money to operate the portfolio in the form of fees, commission and charges. Such type of portfolio includes index funds, SIPs or passive investments. The investors having such portfolio are described with a metaphor as camel. Camel is a sort of animal that requires low maintenance and it delivers high output. Similarly, index investing, SIPs or even passive investing delivers high return at a lesser maintenance cost. In the desert of financial markets, be a camel who is resilient, patient and prepared for the long haul. Learning is a never-ending process and we keep on learning irrespective of our age. Hope you are learning from this video. As they say that learning is never ending, however, this video has come to an end. We are not done yet with the birds and animals who all are present in financial markets. The other type of birds and animals would be covered in the forthcoming video. If you think that this video was useful and you have learned something today, then